Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Did you know a single slip in the bathroom can leave someone over 50 confined to bed for months? The CDC reports that 1 in 4 adults over 65 falls each year, and many of those falls start with a single, common problem: weak legs. Weak legs don't just make standing, sitting, or walking harder. They quietly erode independence, confidence, and quality of life. The hardest truth is this: most people only take leg strength seriously after a fall, after a fracture, after balance fails and freedom is taken away. If you're watching this now, you're already doing the smartest thing: you're starting before it's too late. With 3 simple, safe exercises at home, you can begin to rebuild strength, steadiness, and confidence in your legs. No gym, no fancy equipment, just your body, your attention, and 10 minutes a day. If you want to keep walking to the store, playing with your grandchildren, or gardening in the sun 5 or 10 years from now, this is your moment to begin. Bulgarian Split Squat, build strength, restore balance. Nobody wants the feeling of their legs giving out. Yet many people over 50 notice standing becomes slower, stairs feel steeper, knees wobble, and legs tire faster. That's why the Bulgarian Split Squat is such a powerful exercise for older adults who want to rebuild leg strength and walk with confidence again. The Bulgarian Split Squat is a one-leg squat with the back foot elevated on a chair or step. It looks modest, but it targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings, the exact muscles you rely on to rise from a chair, climb stairs, and steady yourself if you lose balance. This exercise isn't about depth, it's about how powerfully you return to standing. Why it matters after 50. With age, thigh and hip muscles weaken, a process called sarcopenia, beginning as early as the 40s. By age 70 many people can lose 25 to 30% of leg strength. The consequences are more falls, greater difficulty rising from low seats, and shuffling instead of confident walking. The good news: strength can be rebuilt at any age. The Bulgarian Split Squat trains one leg at a time, helping correct side-to-side imbalances, improve knee stability, and restore hip strength and flexibility. How to do it safely, step by step. Stand facing away from a chair about 2 feet in front of it. Place the top of your back foot on the chair. Step your front foot far enough forward so that when you lower, the front knee does not travel beyond the toes. Use a wall or a sturdy chair beside you for balance if needed. Lower slowly by bending the front knee with chest lifted and core engaged. Stop when your front thigh is approximately parallel to the floor or at a depth that's comfortable. Press through the front heel to return to standing. Begin with 2 sets of 6 to 8 reps per leg, 3 to 4 times per week. Gradually increase to 10 to 12 reps as you get stronger. Modifications and safety. Trouble balancing? Do a basic split squat with both feet on the floor. Knee discomfort? Use a partial range of motion, it still builds strength. Short of breath? Pause between reps and breathe deeply. Many people feel frustrated at first. I can't go low, or I'm wobbly. That's normal. You're not training to be an athlete, you're training to stand strong, walk confidently, and stay independent. Every controlled lowering and rising reclaims strength time has taken. Nutrition to fuel stronger legs. Exercise builds strength, nutrition repairs and protects it. After 50, your muscles need better support to recover and grow. Prioritize protein. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal spread through the day. Protein helps rebuild muscle after exercise. Good sources: eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, chicken, salmon, lean beef, tofu, lentils, and beans. Quick snack idea: a boiled egg with whole grain toast or Greek yogurt with berries. Add magnesium and potassium. These minerals help prevent cramps and fatigue. Find them in bananas, spinach, avocados, sweet potatoes, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. Stay hydrated. Muscles perform better when hydrated. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water daily, more if you sweat. Pairing the Bulgarian Split Squat with nourishing meals builds a foundation for strength, mobility, and long-term freedom. Glute Bridge, strengthen hips, protect the lower back. Morning stiffness, a dull lower back ache, or trouble rising from bed often come from a weak posterior chain, especially weak glute muscles. The Glute Bridge is a safe, simple, and highly effective exercise to rebuild your movement foundation. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips, creating a bridge with your body. This targets the gluteus maximus, hamstrings, lower back stabilizers, and core muscles. These same muscles support every stand, step, and spinal movement. Why it helps after 50. Long periods of sitting or reduced activity can switch off the glutes. When they weaken, back pain increases, posture suffers, and everyday movements grow risky. Regular glute bridges reactivate these muscles, support the lower spine, and build hip strength, a key early step physical therapists recommend for fall prevention and spinal health. How to do it, step by step. Lie flat on a mat or carpet. Bend your knees so feet are flat, hip width apart. Arms rest by your sides, palms down. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Your body should form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then slowly lower back down. Begin with 2 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions, 3 to 4 days a week. As strength increases, hold the top position longer or add a small pillow or resistance band between the knees. Safety and modifications. Lower back pain. Avoid overarching at the top. The work should come from the glutes, not the spine. Knee issues. Bring heels slightly closer to hips to reduce pressure. Hard floor. Use a towel or cushion under your back. The glute bridge isn't flashy, but it's foundational. Every lift trains you to stand taller, move stronger, and reduce back discomfort. Imagine waking without that morning stiffness. You can get there one gentle lift at a time. Nutrition to support hips and back. The glute bridge works some of the body's largest, most energy-demanding muscles, so fuel matters. Calcium and vitamin D for bone and joint support. Dairy, fortified plant milks, fatty fish, eggs, and sensible sun exposure. If you're over 50, ask a doctor about supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids to help control inflammation. Fatty fish, walnuts, flaxseed, and chia. Collagen and hydration. Bone broth or hydrolyzed collagen supplements may help joint tissues. Keep hydrated for spinal disc health. Combine targeted movement with smart nutrition and you'll notice stronger, easier daily movement. Calf raises, lighter steps, better circulation. Calf muscles are often ignored until they cause problems. Tightness, nighttime cramps, swollen ankles, or a heavy feeling after standing. Calf raises are simple and powerful for improving circulation, reducing swelling, and building leg endurance. What a calf raise does. Stand tall and rise onto the balls of your feet, then slowly lower. This activates the gastrocnemius and soleus muscles, stimulates blood return to the heart, improves ankle stability, and refines walking posture. Strong calves help prevent blood pooling, reduce cramps, and support balance. Why they matter after 50. With age and inactivity, circulation can decline. Cold feet, ankle swelling by evening, or tingling after sitting too long. The calves act like a second heart. When they weaken, circulation suffers. Regular calf raises help maintain blood flow and reduce the feeling of heavy legs. They're especially beneficial for people who have sedentary lifestyles, diabetes, varicose veins, or foot problems. How to do them? Step by step. Stand behind a sturdy chair, countertop, or near a wall. Feet hip width apart, flat on the floor. Slowly lift your heels, rising onto the balls of your feet. Pause at the top and squeeze the calves, then lower slowly. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, resting 30 seconds between sets. Focus on control and steady breathing. For balance issues, work near a wall so you can stabilize with both hands. If strain occurs, perform partial raises. Partial movement still activates the muscles. When steady, try single leg raises to increase challenge. Nutrition for calf health and circulation. Potassium and magnesium for muscle relaxation and cramp prevention. Bananas, avocados, spinach, potatoes, almonds, black beans, and pumpkin seeds. A quick smoothie. Banana, a handful of spinach, and a spoon of nut butter. Hydration keeps muscles and blood flow working. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses daily or more if active. Anti-inflammatory fats support blood vessels and reduce swelling. Fatty fish, olive oil, chia, and flax seeds. When combined with daily calf raises, these nutrition tips help keep legs light, energized, and ready for movement. You've now learned 3 simple movements that don't require a gym or special equipment, but that can profoundly change everyday life, one step at a time. Maybe today your legs feel stiff. Maybe your balance isn't what it used to be. That's not failure, it's a starting point. The beautiful truth is strength can be rebuilt, after 50, after 60, even after 70. These exercises are not just routines, they're acts of care and courage. They say, I'm not finished. I still have places to go, people to see, moments to enjoy. Imagine walking across a park without needing to sit down. Lifting your grandchild without fear. Dancing in your kitchen simply because you can. It begins now, 10 minutes a day, one set at a time. Start today. Repeat tomorrow. Keep going. Not for perfection, but for freedom, stability, and a future you can walk into proudly. You're not getting older, you're getting stronger. Let your next step be a powerful one. If you found this helpful, type 9 in the comments. If not, type 0 and tell us how we can improve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical guides that help you live well on your own terms. Thank you for watching. Here's to strength, mobility, and joy every day.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.